Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app Pipedrive Action Automation for workflows once you're in your account. You get to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then you choose the account where you want to install the app in and you click on Continue. Then you click on Allow and Install. A custom menu link page is going to pop up. Copy the custom menu link, head to your account, scroll down to settings and you click on it. Then you click on the custom menu links and you click on create new. You enter an icon, you give it a title and you paste the link here. You choose a sidebar preference and you choose the account where you want to install in. Then you give it a role-based visibility and you click on save. Once you're done creating the custom menu link, switch to the account where you added the custom menu link. You click on it, then the first interface of the app is going to pop up where you have the app already connected. But no worries, if you meet the app that has not yet been connected, let's walk you through on how to do that. You click on the manage, and the second interface of the app is going to pop up where you have all the necessary important features such as the documentation. We have the Smartcue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials of your app. We have the app setup. Here the app has been connected. As we earlier mentioned, let's walk you through on how to connect that in case you meet the app not connected. Copy the redirect URL, head to the account which you've created online. You click on your profile and you choose a developer help. Then you click on create an app. Click on create a private app and you give it a name. You give it a name and you paste the link here. Then you click on save. Then you toggle on all the scopes and you click on save. Then you have access to the client ID. Head back to your account. Click on start setup and you paste the client secret and you paste. Then you click on complete setup. Another page is going to pop up where you have to allow and install the app. Once you're done clicking the allow and install button, it's going to connect your app successfully. We have the support center. At the level of the support center, you'll be able to create a ticket and as well book a call for our team. We have the change log feature, which is one of the most interesting features. And at this level, you're going to see all the new updates and changes made on the app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and you click on the subscribe button. There you go. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.